Right. No, you don't really see many videos of corn shellers, corn grinders, people using them, and anything about that. But I figured I'd do it, let everyone get an updated version because I've seen some older videos, but nothing new. So this one's a 1908, 1909. This one's an 1890s model. I restored this one. My dad, he restored this one. It ain't the original color, but he wanted John Deere yellow and green, so that's what color it was. But the good thing about these, just like this one, this is a corn grinder. It's a sheller. This here, the good thing about this one is you can actually use it for cracking corn, making cornmeal, corn flour, anything you want, really. Mostly I use this for the chickens and the pig. Mostly what these are for. So I wanted to get an updated version, show you how these work and everything. So, you just grab your corn, and get in this thing. Shell it. Do a couple things of corn. Come through, hold it, bring it a little closer. And see as it goes down, it rotates, pulls all off, and shoots it out. Even the new ones today, they really don't change. They're the same as they were over 100 years ago. And the good thing about them, any size corn will go through it. Sometimes I don't like the smaller ones. I like using this one a little better because it doesn't bind up as much as the black one. And it shoots it right back up. Nice and clean. One more. I'll show the black one. I'll show you why. Sometimes it likes to stick, sometimes it don't. This one here, and that's where it likes to stick right there. And then pops it through. Same concept. I see you're wanting to put maters in it, bud. Why are you putting maters in the corn? Goober. Now the grinder. Come real close to the grinder. This is the best thing about this. I'll tell you, I got different settings. I usually just put this up because I usually do fill this up, but not always. Dog's over there barking at something. Well, you put it in. See here, I got it set. So when I do it, I'm making more cracked corn than anything. But you can adjust it, tighten it up. A little tighter. Just get you a lot tighter. And you can make corn flour, which is what your cornbread, anything you make cornmeal with, that's what you use it for. But I usually keep it loose, not let it crack, instead, so that way I can feed the chickens with it. Up a little more. corn. And if you want, you can mix whole corn with it. I usually do that for the pig. But this is a Red Chief by the 1920s. But it still works like new. That's why I love these old things. You can't beat it.
I know.
I just wanted to give a little video of these working because, like I said, there's really no newer video of these things. I've really never seen a corn grinder like this being used on the video, so I figured I'd make a video and show y'all. But that's what a corn grinder, corn shellers, back in the day is what they used to do. I just still love doing things back in the day. So. But that's what it is. And hope you enjoy the video.